Good morning, first grade, and good morning, first grade families. I hope everyone is doing well today. Today is Tuesday, December 8th, 2020. Your special today is physical education at 11:45, and it is the 65th day of school. I know I haven't included this in the morning message, but I wanted to get back and make sure we keep track. So it is the 65th day of school, and we could say that as 6, 10, 5 is how we would say 65. All right, before we go through our schedule, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, great. So first thing coming out first thing this morning, you will have an application problem for our lesson 16. Sure, yes, lesson 16. And you will also see a wit and wisdom lesson about informative paragraphs. And we talked a little bit about that last week during one of our live calls. There'll be a learning video with that. So the application problem, the informative paragraph lesson, and there will also be a deep dive lesson coming out first thing this morning at 9. Then we will meet at 10 for our live class. We will have word building again today. So if you could please bring these letters, C, D, E, H, M, O, P, R, T, and a blank dictation paper, that would be great. Again, since it is Tuesday, we will not have social studies today. So we will meet again at 1 for math. If you could please bring your workbooks and your dry erase marker and sleeve, that would be great. All right, so that is the plan for today. Here is the picture puzzle. So I know we've learned this word and then go. So get, go. So see if you can figure that out. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need help with anything. And I can't wait to see everybody soon. Bye, guys. Thanks.